Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this topic today I'm going to discuss about how can you do custom sorting on a text field. And what I mean by that is you want to have a certain text field always showing on the very top, and then remaining you want to sort either ascending or descending. So no matter what, you always want to keep one text field always on the top, okay? And the remaining, you want to sort them either ascending or descending based on however you desire. So in order to do that, I have a data that, as you can see on my screen here, I have a result set from a sample data. So this is my sample data. I have only 7 records here. So this sample data, I want to turn this into the one on the right. So what I mean by that is, see, I want to keep Nepal at the very top of the record, and remaining countries name I want to sort them in ascending order. So you can bring any country of your desire or any text character of your desire to show always in the very first row or very top row, and then remaining text characters you want to sort them in ascending order. That's the goal. So this is my initial data, and I'm going to turn it into this data where Nepal being always in the top. Okay, let's continue here. I'm back here on my SQL Server Management Studio. Let me hide these results, and I have a sample data with this many records which I already inserted into a temporary country table. Has or pound country is always a temporary table. So if I select this data again to show you guys what that is, and here's my ID and country name. So Bhutan, China, Denmark, France, India, Nepal, and Thailand. I don't know if I spelled that correct here. It looks like I'm missing a anyway, so that's fine. I misspelled Thailand. That's fine. I'm bad in spelling sometime here. So anyway, so so our goal is, if you this is right now is sorting everything, all the records based on the country name. So Bhutan comes first because it's spelled with B, and China second, and D third, and so on, right? So Nepal is sitting here on the 6th place. But I want Nepal to be shown on the very top because that's where I'm from, guys. I'm from Nepal, Mount Everest, country of Mount Everest, highest peak in the world. So I want to keep Nepal in the very top, and then the remaining country name I want to sort them in ascending order. How can I do that? So in that case, there's two ways I can do that, but the simplest way, I'm going to show you the easiest way. Okay, so leave the country name as is, but you want to sort them first. In that case, I have to do a case statement. Okay, case. Okay, let's do case when country name, right? So country name equals Nepal. Then you can do 0, else 1. So this is pretty much sorting. So 1. Okay, I got to do 1, and then we got to end the statement. I end and then do the comma. You don't need alias here. So what this is doing, I'm doing here, is when the country name is whatever you provide, sort them in the very first one. 0 comes before 1, obviously in numerical order. So this is going to keep this country name, whatever you provide, is going to be always on the top, and then the remaining will fall under category 1, which means this is going to be like a second sorting order, right? And then again sort the remaining ones with the country name. That's what pretty much I'm doing. So if I execute this one, and you know what, I should keep both the results so you can see the difference. Let me hide this results for now. So I'm going to copy this result, the query, so I can show you guys both the results side by side. That's what I'm trying to do. Make some room here. So this is my original code. This is my sorted code. Okay, all right, there you go. So I don't need this case statement here. all I'm doing is order by the country name, and this one obviously I want the case statement. Okay, so here you go. So I am going to run both of these code and show you guys the difference. Okay, this is being originally, or this is sorting everything by the country name, and Bhutan comes at the very top, and this is sorting by, I want to keep the Nepal at the very top no matter what, right? So I'm keeping Nepal at the top, and everything else I'm sorting them in alphabetic order as B, C, D, F, I, and T, right? So these guys are in alphabetic order. So this is how you can achieve that. But if you can also put this, if you want to add a sorting order here and a select statement, you can just copy this line of code and put it in your select over here, select over there, and this is gonna appear here as a sorting. Well, what I mean by that is, let me just show you quick. Okay, if you want to bring that in a sort order, copy that and put it over here, paste it here, and then in this case you have to give the alias, okay, as sort, something like that, and you want to sort, and then you don't need this one. Did I miss that here? Yeah. Okay, select everything, and then case in as sort from country, order by sort. What am I missing here? 1 second. Else one, right? In as sort, and then from, oh, we don't need the comma here. I was having extra comma. Okay, this will also do the job, but like I said, this is going to come, there will be another column here, which is going to show as a sort. Let me show you that. See, this will appear because we added that in the select statement, right? So this is going to sort Nepal in the top because we already said that here, and we're sorting 0 comes first, so Nepal will be first, and then rest of remaining will be all 1, meaning they're in the second category. However, the remaining will be again sorted in the ascending order as we mentioned in this code. So hopefully this makes sense. A little trick sometime might be helpful. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. So hopefully you guys got some ideas here with this video. Thanks again for watching my video, and please like and subscribe for more similar videos, and have a great day.